Number 1. 1972 Harley-Davidson Sportster XL-CH1000, $3,995, Avenger, Texas. This 1972 Harley-Davidson Sportster XL-CH1000 is a classic Ironhead-era machine that combines vintage character with a range of functional updates. It features both electric and kickstart, offering flexibility rarely seen on early Sportsters, and is equipped with a Mikuni carburetor, new air filter, battery, tires, seat, and updated controls. The fishtail exhaust gives it a strong classic sound, while new fenders and fresh components help improve its overall presentation. The bike runs well and the transmission has been described as shifting properly, though it will need clutch cable work to be fully sorted. It also has minor oil leaks and will require new oil lines, which is typical for bikes of this era. With additional parts included, such as a full gasket set and hardware kit, it offers a solid and usable vintage Harley with room for final refinement.
Number 2. 1969 Triumph 650 Trophy TR6R, $3,000, Mishawaka, Indiana. This 1969 Triumph TR6R Trophy is a matching numbers example of a classic British 650cc twin, known for its simplicity and engaging riding feel. It has been stored in a climate-controlled environment for the past 3 years and was running when parked, suggesting it may only need basic recommissioning to return to the road. The engine still kicks over smoothly, and the fuel tank remains clean with no rust. As a largely original bike, it holds strong appeal for collectors and enthusiasts who value authenticity. With minimal changes and a solid foundation, it presents a great opportunity to revive a true vintage Triumph while maintaining its original character and period-correct components.
Number 3. 1975 Harley-Davidson Ironhead XLH1000, $3,000, Jackson, Ohio. This 1975 Harley-Davidson Ironhead XLH1000 is a custom-built vintage Harley that reflects the raw, mechanical appeal of the Ironhead platform. The bike runs well and features numerous custom touches, giving it a unique look while still retaining the classic feel that makes these engines popular among enthusiasts. Its straightforward design also makes it a good platform for continued customization. A new clutch has already been installed, though it may require adjustment to function perfectly, making it a manageable task for the next owner. With extra parts included and a solid running condition, it offers a balance between a usable rider and a hands-on project for those who enjoy working on vintage Harleys. Number 4. 1982 Honda CB350 Custom, $2,600, Galena, Ohio. This 1982 Honda CB350 Custom is a well-running example of a classic Japanese four-cylinder, known for smooth performance and long-term reliability. With over 25,000 miles, it has been maintained with key updates, including a new CDI unit and clutch, addressing important components that ensure consistent operation. It starts, runs, and shifts through all gears without issues. The bike also includes original electronic parts from previous troubleshooting, adding extra value for future maintenance. With carburetor jetting already corrected, it performs as intended and is ready to ride. Its complete condition and clean title make it a versatile option, whether kept stock or used as a base for a cafe racer style build. Number 5. 1975 BMW R60, $3,775, Northville, Michigan. This 1975 BMW R60 is a classic airhead twin that highlights BMW's reputation for durability and smooth touring capability.
With over 59,000 miles, it has been well maintained with updates including new tires, ignition components, battery, and refreshed oil seals. The addition of a Luftmeister fairing improves comfort for longer rides and enhances its touring character. Additional details such as stainless steel spokes and NOS mufflers help preserve its vintage appearance while maintaining functionality. The bike runs, rides, and stops properly, making it ready for immediate use. It offers a dependable and authentic vintage riding experience with the practicality that BMW airheads are known for.
Number 6. 1975 Yamaha RS100, $1,200, Wellington, Ohio. This 1975 Yamaha RS100 is a lightweight vintage two-stroke featuring Yamaha's torque induction system and oil injection, making it simple to run without pre-mixing fuel. It has received several important updates, including a new OEM piston and rings, new tires and tubes, cleaned fuel system, and new steering head bearings. Additional work includes a new kickshaft and starter assembly, addressing a known issue and improving overall reliability. The bike starts and runs well, making it a fun and easy option for casual riding or campground use. It does not currently have a title, and the lighting system has not been fully checked, though it does include rear turn signals and a new battery. As a 50-year-old machine, it offers a unique and affordable entry into vintage two-stroke ownership.
Number 7. 1974 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $3,500, Racine, Wisconsin. This 1974 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster 1000 is a heavily customized build that blends classic Harley performance with unique styling elements. The engine has received past internal work, including upgraded pistons, and it features S&S adjustable pushrods, a Super B carburetor, and electronic ignition, helping ensure reliable starting and strong performance. The addition of 1968-style heads gives it a distinct look reminiscent of earlier Harley designs. Custom components include a 21-inch front wheel, drag pipes, a tall sissy bar, and a mix of vintage-inspired details throughout. It is kickstart only, but described as dependable, offering a raw and engaging riding experience. With its strong mechanical setup and bold custom style, it stands as a unique ironhead chopper with plenty of personality.
Number 8. 1978 Suzuki GS750, $850, Spring Valley, Ohio. This 1978 Suzuki GS750 rat bike is a budget-friendly project with a strong running engine and significant potential. It features a Dynatec programmable ignition and a Vance & Hines 4-in-1 exhaust, giving it a strong sound and performance foundation. Despite its rough condition, the engine runs well, making it a solid starting point for a restoration or custom build. The bike will need several repairs, including tires, addressing a small fuel leak, and fixing a bent fork. It comes with a range of spare parts, including forks, brake components, and additional accessories, adding value for someone willing to take on the project. With a clean title and low price, it offers strong potential for hands-on enthusiasts.
Number 9. 1965 BSA Thunderbolt 650, $2,950, Marshall, Michigan. This 1965 BSA Thunderbolt 650 is a classic British twin, featuring a single carb setup and matching numbers, adding to its authenticity and collector appeal. The bike runs and rides well, with a kickstart-only configuration that delivers a traditional vintage riding experience. It also includes a new battery and good tires, helping keep it road-ready. There is a slight oil leak at the primary cover and some cosmetic wear, such as scratches and scuffs, which are typical for a bike of this age. Overall, it offers a solid and usable example of a mid-1960s British motorcycle, balancing originality with practical rideability. Number 10. 1974 Yamaha TX500, $1,500, Minneapolis, Minnesota. This 1974 Yamaha TX500 is a rare vintage twin known for its lively performance and unique place in Yamaha's early four-stroke lineup. It has received recent maintenance, including new tires, a custom seat, battery, fork seals, and freshly serviced carburetors, helping bring it back into good running condition. The bike starts easily and has already been ridden this season. Additional value comes from included spare parts and a full set of replacement body panels, giving flexibility for restoration or customization. While it may require ongoing care typical of vintage bikes, it offers a distinctive and affordable option for riders looking for something less common with strong character.
Number 11. 1966 BMW R60, $2,750, Wixom, Michigan. This 1966 BMW R60 is a vintage airhead twin project with matching numbers and a title, making it a strong candidate for restoration. Originally purchased in wrecked condition, it has been sitting as part of a collection of projects and is now ready for a new owner to take it forward. The R60 platform is known for its durability and smooth operation, offering a solid foundation once properly rebuilt. As a project bike, it will require mechanical and cosmetic work, but its completeness and originality add to its appeal. With BMW's reputation for long-lasting engineering and the value of matching numbers, this bike presents a worthwhile opportunity for someone looking to restore a classic German motorcycle.
Number 12. 1968 Honda Scrambler CL175, $1,000, Sewickley, Pennsylvania. This 1968 Honda CL175 Scrambler is a lightweight vintage dual-purpose bike that runs and rides, making it an accessible entry into classic motorcycles. Imported from Japan, it features the high-mounted exhaust styling typical of Scrambler models, giving it a distinctive and period-correct look. Its small displacement twin engine is known for reliability and ease of maintenance. With a clean title and straightforward mechanical setup, it offers a simple and enjoyable riding experience. Its lightweight nature makes it ideal for casual riding or light trail use, while its originality and condition make it an appealing option for collectors of small vintage Hondas.
Number 13. 1998 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200, converted, $1,600, Elmhurst, Illinois. This 1998 Harley-Davidson Sportster started as an 883 model and has been upgraded with a 1200 conversion, offering increased power while retaining the simplicity of the Sportster platform. It runs and drives, making it a functional and affordable entry point into Harley ownership. The Evolution engine is known for its durability and ease of maintenance, adding to its practicality. With a clean title and a very competitive price, this bike stands out as a budget-friendly option with solid performance. It could be ridden as is or used as a base for further customization, making it a versatile choice for riders or builders alike.
Number 14. 1971 Honda CB350, $2,100, North Rose, New York. This 1971 Honda CB350 is a well-preserved original example with just over 8,200 miles, reflecting careful ownership and consistent garage storage. It runs in great condition and has received recent maintenance including carburetor service, a clean fuel tank, new tires, filters, and a battery. These updates help ensure it remains reliable and ready for regular use. Additional extras, such as a padded backrest, rear rack, cover, and helmet, add practical value. While not a showroom restoration, it maintains strong originality and a clean appearance, making it an excellent, ready-to-ride vintage Honda with classic styling and dependable performance. Number 15. 1982 Harley-Davidson Roadster, $3,000, Muscatine, Iowa. This 1982 Harley-Davidson Roadster is an ironhead Sportster variant that combines classic styling with practical features like a larger fuel tank and factory extended front forks. With around 24,000 miles, it is described as a good running bike that offers the raw and mechanical feel typical of the ironhead era. Cosmetically, it shows some minor paint blemishes, but remains a solid and usable machine. Whether used as a comfortable town cruiser or as a base for a custom chopper build, it provides a versatile platform with classic Harley character and strong visual presence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these coolest vintage finds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more Moto Market Explorer.